Hi there to you folks over at Belkin's Home Design. I'm Wynn from Digital Energy, and I'm sending you the video that I promised you I would so you can get more business. In this video, I'm going to show you how, if you have a website, you can optimize it to be discovered more on Google, bring in more business, and create more revenue. So I just put in home renovations in Farmington, Missouri, and I brought up Handyman Matt. I was kind of surprised though, but he does have a lot of the same services that you folks do. And he is one of the best ranking people that I have seen in quite a few services. I put in home renovations, I put in general contractors, I put in roofing. So I think that if we made you a website, or if you made a website and did the things that I'm telling you about, that you'd be able to get found on Google really fast. And I think that you would be having a lot more volume than you probably are with Facebook, and be able to scale your business however you wanted to and expand it. So let's go ahead and go look at some numbers. So this is a program that I use called Eras. It is quite pricey, but it does tell me a lot about websites. So these numbers right here represent Handyman Matt's trust with Google. So this is the UR that represents his homepage, and the DR represents his entire website. Now this number is 16 out of 100, and this isn't even 1 out of 100. So he doesn't have very much trust with Google. Now, the way that you get trust with Google is several different factors, is what we're going to talk about now. And the first one is backlinks. So all a backlink is where there's a link on someone else's website pointing to your website, and that transfers power from their website to your website, which in turn gives you more trust with Google. So in our industry, we have what we call do follow and no follow backlinks, because not all backlinks are created the same. Now you want to have the majority of your backlinks be do follow, because those are actually the ones that transfer the power from their website to your website. The no follow links don't really do that for you. So as we can see, he only has 186 backlinks from 15 different websites. So if we had probably, I don't know, 100 good backlinks, it's going to beat out his 186 easy. Now let's go ahead and look at another prime factor, and that is keywords and content. So Google loves content. That's why when you're looking for anything, you're going to find directories, and you're also going to find like Wikipedia, because they all have lots of backlinks and they all have lots of content. We recommend you're having at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage, and then probably about 750 to 1,000 depending on the keyword research that I find for the back pages that you want to rank in, like your services. So whenever we do have the content, you want to have about one keyword for every 100 to 150 words of content on each of those pages. And those keywords, you really want to have them be location-specific keywords. So here we have Missouri kitchen remodeling. That's going to be 30 people searching for that a month. But we really want to go through and find all the best ones. I really want more of like volume 50 to 100 or more. And then we want to have what we have the keyword difficulty. We really want to try to find those keywords that have 0 to 3 keyword difficulty, because that means there's lots of people searching for them, but there's not a lot of other people who have them on their websites. So it's very easy to rank you and get you on the first page of Google for those. Now, the last thing we're going to talk about is citations. And all a citation is your name, address, and phone number across different directories across the web. We have Yelp, we have Super Yellow Pages, there's lots and lots of general contracting directories to get your name, address, and phone number on. And that's really going to help you on the Google Map Pack or the local map listing, which is one of the easiest ways to get ranked first page on Google. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope you found it very informational and informative. I would love to have some feedback on it. You can take this information I just gave to you and do the research yourself and build your own website and rank it on Google. Or you can go ahead and save yourself some time and some stress and give me a call and we have a discussion, see if we're a good fit for each other. I really hope that you guys are having a wonderful day. I look forward to speaking with you. Take care.